Is the Japanese Suica app leaving you completely lost? Don't worry, switching it to English is easier than you think. Let's dive in. First, open your Suica app. Look for a profile icon. This may be in the top right or bottom right corner of the screen depending on your phone and version of the app. It often looks like a person's silhouette or a small gear. Tap it. This should take you to your profile or settings page. Now, find the option that leads to your app settings. It's usually represented with Japanese characters and an arrow icon pointing right. Tap on that setting. Okay, you're almost there. On this new screen, search for the language settings. Look for something that includes the Japanese word, which translates to language. Tap on that option. A list of available languages will appear. Scroll down until you find English, or potentially just the word English written in English. Select English. And that's it. The app should now automatically switch to English. You may need to restart the app for the changes to fully take effect. Now you can navigate the Suica app with ease. Enjoy your travels in Japan.